Hey everyone, feeling sluggish? Energy levels on a roller coaster ride? Well, ditch the boring snacks and get ready for a month-long adventure that can transform your body from the inside out. We're talking about dates, nature's candy with a hidden punch. But are they just a delightful treat, or do they hold secret health benefits waiting to be unlocked? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a delicious journey and discover what happens when you make dates your daily companion for 30 days. These are seriously addictive. But before we unleash the date-eating frenzy, let's get to know these little nutritional powerhouses better. Dates are like tiny treasure chests brimming with goodness. We're talking fiber. Imagine tiny brushes gently sweeping your digestive system, keeping things moving smoothly. Fiber isn't just essential for digestive health, it also helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. Natural sugars, ditch the sugary crash of processed snacks. Dates offer natural sweetness that fuels your body with sustained energy. Unlike refined sugars, which can lead to spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, the natural sugars in dates provide a steady release of energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. Vitamin and mineral bonanza. Think vitamins A, B6, and K, along with potassium, magnesium, and iron, all essential players keeping your body running like a well-oiled machine. These vitamins and minerals play crucial roles in various bodily functions, from maintaining healthy skin and eyes to supporting muscle function and energy metabolism. Antioxidant army. These fighters combat free radicals, protecting your cells and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Antioxidants are your body's defense against oxidative stress, which can contribute to aging and disease development. By including dates in your diet, you're providing your body with a potent arsenal of antioxidants to keep it healthy and vibrant. But the wonders of dates don't stop there. Let's delve deeper into the array of benefits that these humble fruits can provide for your overall health and well-being. 1 month down and I feel like a whole new person. The energy boost is real, no more afternoon slumps, just consistent pep throughout the day. And guess what? My digestion feels fantastic. No more sluggishness thanks to those fiber-filled dates. But it's not just about feeling good on the outside. Studies suggest dates might be doing some amazing things on the inside too. They could be contributing to a stronger immune system by feeding the good bacteria in your gut, creating a thriving gut microbiome. Your gut health plays a significant role in immune function, and by nourishing it with fiber and beneficial nutrients found in dates, you're giving your immune system a boost. A healthier heart by potentially lowering bad cholesterol and raising good cholesterol, contributing to a happy heart. High cholesterol levels are a risk factor for heart disease, and incorporating dates into your diet may help improve your lipid profile and reduce your risk of cardiovascular problems. Stronger bones, packed with minerals like magnesium and potassium, they might just help keep your bones strong and potentially reduce the risk of osteoporosis. As you age, maintaining bone health becomes increasingly important, and the nutrients found in dates can support bone density and strength, helping to prevent fractures and osteoporosis. Improved cognitive function. Early research suggests dates might contribute to better memory and brain function thanks to their unique blend of nutrients. Your brain relies on a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally, and the vitamins and minerals found in dates can support cognitive health and enhance mental performance. The benefits of dates extend far beyond what meets the eye. These versatile fruits can be incorporated into your diet in numerous ways, adding both flavor and nutrition to your meals and snacks. On their own, as a naturally sweet and satisfying snack, dates are the perfect on-the-go option for busy days when you need a quick energy boost without reaching for processed snacks loaded with empty calories. Chopped up, add them to salads, oatmeal, or yogurt for extra sweetness and texture. Sprinkle chopped dates over your morning cereal or mix them into your favorite yogurt parfait for a nutritious and delicious breakfast option. Blended, boost your smoothie or protein shake with a date for an added nutritional kick. Dates add natural sweetness and thickness to smoothies, making them a perfect ingredient for creamy and satisfying beverages. Stuffed, get creative. Fill them with nuts, seeds, or cream cheese for a delicious and healthy treat. Stuffing dates with nutrient-rich ingredients like almonds, walnuts, or nut butter adds protein, healthy fats, and additional vitamins and minerals to this tasty snack option. And don't forget about desserts. Dates can be the star ingredient in guilt-free sweets like energy balls, date squares, or even date syrup for drizzling over pancakes or waffles. By using dates as a natural sweetener in desserts, you can indulge your sweet tooth while still nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Remember, moderation is key. Dates are high in sugar and calories, so enjoy them in controlled portions. While dates offer numerous health benefits, consuming them in excess can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Be mindful of your portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort, adjust your intake or talk to a healthcare professional. While dates are generally well tolerated by most people, some individuals may experience digestive issues or allergic reactions. If you have any concerns or experience adverse symptoms after consuming dates, consult with the healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance. So, are you ready to embark on a date night with your body? Grab some dates, join me on this journey, and experience the sweet transformation from the inside out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative and exciting adventures in the world of health and wellness. But as we conclude this epic journey into the realm of dates, let's not forget the profound impact that small changes can have on our health and happiness. Each date consumed is not just a snack, it's a step towards a healthier lifestyle, a testament to our commitment to self-care and well-being. So, let's raise our dates high and toast to health, happiness, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Cheers to a deliciously nutritious adventure. And remember, as you continue on your journey, let the sweetness of dates remind you to savor every moment, to nourish your body and soul, and to embrace the journey towards a better you. Here's to the power of dates and the sweet symphony of health they bring to our lives. As you savor the sweetness of each date and revel in the nourishment it provides, remember that you hold the key to your own health and happiness. By making mindful choices and embracing the abundance of nature's bounty, you can cultivate a vibrant and fulfilling life. So, let the journey continue, one date at a time, towards a brighter, healthier future.